In one of our videos, we've explained about the three categories or the three parts of speech in Arabic language, and each part of speech is so much broad up to the extent that it has subdivision as well. So let's look at fi'l, which is the second category of aqsamul kalam or part of speech. Fi'lu, al-fi'lu. Fi'l, which means verb. They are action words. Action words in Arabic language has many ways to be divided. And verb, they have subcategories. We can divide them based on different circumstances or conditions. So now let's start dividing them. So first, we're going to divide fi'l into adadu huruf. Adadu huruf. Adadu huruf means the amount of letter, meaning we are dividing the Arabic verb based on the amount of letters that makes up that verb. Now, for example, in English, when we say go, we use two letters, G-O. That verb is made up of two letters, G-O. So similarly, in Arabic language, the amount of letters that makes up that verb is very, very important. We are going to divide it into four categories. Let's say amount of letters. Then let's look at this division. First, we have Thulathi Mujarrad. Thulathi Mujarrad, it means verbs that are made up of three letters without adding anything upon them. The verbs in Arabic language are divided into two categories based on the numbers of the verb. Thulathi, then Ruba'i. Thulathi means verbs that has three letters. Their original letters are three. Then we have Ruba'i. Ruba'i, they are verbs that have four letters as the original letter of that verb. Three letters. This is four letters. Ruba'i is four letters. Thulathi is three letters. Then each one of them has two division. If we make example of one Thulathi, one verb that has three examples, we've used it in our previous video. Let's say the example Daraba. Daraba is made up of three huruf, Dad, Ra, and Ba. Same if we make example of Ruba'i, let's say Ja'fara. Ja'fara. Jim, Ain, Fa, Ra. They are the four letters that make this. So if you see in their original letters, root letters, they only have four letters. And this one have only three letters. So let's divide Thulathi into two parts. First part, Thulathi Mujarrad. Thulathi Mujarrad. Then this second part, Mazid. Thulathi Mujarrad, they are verbs that only have exactly their three original numbers without the addition of any other number. I'll give few examples. We've already said that. Daraba, Sami'a, Kataba. I'll give three examples. Daraba, Sami'a, Kataba. Each one of them have three letters, and that is their original letters. We come to Thulathi Mazid. Amma Mazid, they have three original letters, but they have other additional letters that are not original. Example, let me use few examples. Akrama. Akrama is made up of four letters, but one of these letters is not original letter, is an additional letter. There are only three original letters here, the Kaf, the Ra, and the Mim. These are the three original letters of Akrama. As for Hamza before, it's an additional letter. The original verb of this is karama or karuma. Let's use again another example for further understanding. We use akhraja. Akhraja means to take something out. But here we have only three original letters. Ha, Ra, Jim. These are the three original letters. The Hamza here is an additional letter. Kharaja is a verb. In Thulathi Mujarrad, they add alif to make it Thulathi Mazid, which gives it another meaning. Then one last example. Qatala. Qatala means to fight. Qatala is made up of 3 original letters plus 1 additional letter which is not an original letter. The Qaf is original letter, the Ta is an original letter, then the Lam is an original letter. As for this Alif here, this Mad is not an original letter, it's an additional letter. Then we look at Ruba'i. It's also divided into Mujarrad wa Mazid. Ruba'i, it's also divided into Mujarrad wa Mazid. Just like similar example of Ruba'i, Thulathi Mujarrad and Thulathi Mazid. That's the same way of Ruba'i Mujarrad or Ruba'i Mazid. So Ruba'i Mujarrad or Ruba'i Mazid. Ruba'i has 4 letters as I already wrote it here. For Mujarrad, exactly 4 letters. No additional letters are there. For Mazid, they has 4 letters plus additional letters which are not original letters. As a Ja'fara, the example we use there. Ja'fara, it's made up of 4 letters. Each letter is an original letter of this verb. There is no addition. If we watch from this category on Thulathi Mazid, they also have 4 letters, the example I gave here. And Ruba'i Mujarrad also has 4 letters. So there's a little bit of difference between them. The difference between them, in Thulathi Mazid, they have only 3 original letters. The 4th one is not an original letter. In Ruba'i Mujarrad, all of them are original letters. Then let's look at another example. For Ruba'i Mujarrad, Dahraja. Dahraja, it's made of 4 letters. And all these letters, they are original letters without any additional letters. Then we come to Mazid. Mazidu fi. Mazidu fi, and they added something to it, meaning the 5th letter or the 6th letter or the 7th letter, they are not original, they are additional letters. You find out that 4, 5, 6 letters in one verb, but not all these numbers are original. 3 or 4 are original, the rest are additional. When we are talking about original letter and non-original letter, we are talking about that letter in the past tense, not the present or the future tense or the imperative. I'll give an example to one that is similar so you will see the difference. The verb tadaharaja. Tadaharaja is a ruba'i mazidu fi. We already have here daharaja. So we've understood now da, ha, ra, jim, they are the original letters. As for ta, at the beginning of the verb, it's an additional letter. It's not part of the original letter. It's just an additional letter. Then, if we look at ihran jama, the verb ihran jama, it's made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters, but not all of them are original letters. 4 of them are original, while 2 of them are additional. This 4th letter is an additional. Then this one, this noon is an addition. Hamza, then the noon, they are additional letters. While ha, ra, jim, mim, they are original letters. So these are few examples of verbs that has 4 original letters plus additional letters as well. Now,